Hello, in this video we will see how a wall can improve your yoga practice. Sometimes it happens during your yoga practice that you don't know if your posture is correct. So with one of that correctness, with being straight, a wall can be of a great help. So let us stand up. And now first, just stand, feet together. And be straight. Be as straight as you think you can. Straighten your back, strong legs, upward stretch in your spine. Good. So that's how you think you are straight. And now what the wall can tell you about being straight. So your feet are slightly away from the wall, feet parallel, buttocks are touching the wall, and shoulders are touching the wall. Now the back side of your head is touching the wall. Good, adjust yourself. Gently press the lower back against the wall. Lengthen your neck. Close your eyes. Upward stretch in your spine. And now gently move from the wall. You are just gently touching, nothing else, you're not leaning. And now feel how it is to be straight with a wall. So good, so that's it. Try to remember. And now simple side bend. So open your legs a little, let's say 2.5 feet apart. Again, heels are either touching the wall or they are a little away from the wall. It depends how big your buttocks are. Buttocks are touching the wall, shoulders on the wall. Lengthen your neck. Inhaling, arm up, stretch up. Exhaling, go sideways. Shoulder blades on the wall, buttocks on the wall, hand on the wall. And inhaling, come up, exhaling, move down. Other side we will do. So inhale up, elbow on the wall, palm on the wall, shoulder on the wall. And exhale, go sideways. Keep your abdomen strong, keep pushing the lower back to the wall and stretch. And stay there. Breathe, breathe, and feel how it is to be straight with the wall. Inhaling, come up. Exhaling, arm down. So this was just a simple side stretch to understand how it is to be straight. The same thing you can use for your Trikona Asana or for Virabhadrasana B. So I'll show you just with Trikona Asana. So same thing, open your legs. One leg, 1 foot 90, other one 45. Buttocks on the wall, lower back against the wall, shoulders touching the wall. Inhale, come up, relax your shoulder blades. And exhaling, go sideways, just as much your body allows you without leaving the wall. Stretch up and make sure you're gently touching the wall and stay and breathe. And inhale, slowly come up, exhale, relax. So this is actually how only my body allows you to go while going sideways, not bending forward or backward. So the next one will be sitting. So slowly, gently sit up. And first we will try without the wall for your understanding. So just sit straight, close your eyes, keep your back straight. Good, so that's how you think you're straight. And now with the wall. So touch the wall, shoulders on the wall, lengthen the neck, place your head on the wall, and now move slightly away from wall. So you're just gently touching. Close your eyes and breathe. Buttocks to the mat, upward stretch in your spine, and feel how it is to be straight. And slowly open your eyes. And the last one will be Parvatasana with straight back. So cross your legs. Again, buttocks touching wall, lower back to the wall. Shoulders are relaxed, touching the wall. Inhaling, come up. Join your palms. Keep them on the wall and keep opening the chest. Try to press your elbows against the wall and stretch up. Long neck, long spine, and breathe. And exhale slowly. Calm down. Good. So that's it for now. So try. Hope it will help you with your straightness. Thank you.